Hi guys, I'm Aaron from Amoda and JAECOO UK. I'm the event manager and welcome to JAECOO X Jurassic World Enter the Extreme. JAECOO is all about outdoors and adventure. The super hybrid system that occupies the vehicle's hybrid system generates over 750 miles in range, more than enough to outrun those dinosaurs along your adventure.
Oh wow, even the seat is electric.
We do this vehicle in a hybrid, but this is just a pure petrol, this one. We do a plug-in hybrid which has CCS, which is the combined charging system, so it fast charges as well.
So one of the most iconic movie franchises of all time, partnering with the UK's fastest growing automotive brand. JAECOO is all about outdoors and adventure, and what more encapsulates that than Jurassic World in itself. It's a great way for users to experience that, new audiences. What better way to create an immersive, powerful activation than combining these brands together, both aligning in two different ways but bringing together one message. That's, again, enter the extreme.
My name's Ben Lloyd-Holmes and I am the builder of the T-Rex. So I was the lead on the build side of the dinosaur. Inside there's a metal frame which gives ultimately the bone structure and the solidity to it. Over that there's layers of foam which are then hand carved to bring it down to the shape. And you start off with ultimately bone structure, then muscle structure, and then you start going down into the carving of the skin. Over that, then there's layers of silicon, and then finally it becomes painting and then resin for the teeth, that kind of thing. The whole build was around 55 days. It's not just making any T-Rex, it's making the Jurassic World T-Rex. But you've got a lot of markings, scars, and little details across the dinosaur, which has to match. Fans around the world, they love the Jurassic World dinosaurs. Now actually getting a chance to see it, not just on the frame in the workshop, but actually out here, it's a totally different feeling, and it's really exciting and quite a proud moment actually.